it going? Today we're gonna go over how to draw an Ankylosaur or Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus. Either one, you can pronounce it either way, I heard. It's in Jurassic World, a new movie. It's a dinosaur. And we're gonna go over how to draw that right now. So let's get into this drawing. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw the head. Top, then a horn on the back side of its head.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
Questions, put them in the comments below and I'm going to answer them on the following video of every video. So if you have a serious question about drawing, like what you should do, what you should use, I'll either answer them in the comments or I'll answer them here in the actual video, either way. So, and I'll do like a Q&A. So please leave comments. I'll respond to almost every comment. See the little squishy, kind of like the turtle foot? That same feel, turtle foot here. And they're just kind of foamy triangles. You can make them bigger or smaller or vary the size, and it doesn't really matter the number. And that's pretty much it. I know that was like a lot of spikes, but it's not as hard as it looks. It's extremely easy. Rewatch the video if you need to, if that helps. I might throw a little thicker line here actually. If it helps, rewatch the video, rewind, but hopefully you had a pretty decent time with it. Please, if you did enjoy it, watching it, press that like button and then give me a comment below and say hi to me. I say hi to everybody. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video for more dinosaurs or more cute stuff to draw. So I will talk to you in the very next video. See you soon.